Stock number 5872 on consignment for sale at Classic Auto Mall is this amazing, carefully executed 19-year restoration of a beautiful 1938 Studebaker K15M38 Cabover truck. It's been completely rebuilt to factory specifications, including interior, exterior, and mechanicals. This is definitely one rare example of a very old truck that runs and drives like new. This truck is powered by a 226 cubic inch L-head inline 6-cylinder with a 1-barrel carburetor and 4-speed manual transmission. The cab is beautiful in both appearance and function. It has won several awards, including Hershey AACA in 2020. Visit the Classic Auto Mall webpage for a huge selection of pictures as well as all the amazing details. Easily search our inventory at classicautomall.com. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide.